Having lunch keeps you going through the afternoon and stops that afternoon slump. Many of us just grab a sandwich, but there's many other choices to mix it up a bit. Using organic foods also means that there are no chemicals in your food. Chemicals that can affect your mood and energy, which means you double up on the benefit of eating a healthy lunch if it's organic. Salad. If the weather is cold, you might not feel like a salad. Organic varieties of salad vegetables are also widely available at most supermarkets. Make sure they are all organic. Better still, salad ingredients such as tomatoes, peppers, and salad leaves are really easy to grow at home. Try making your salad with some, or even all of these ingredients. Remember, eating a variety of colours means you are getting a bigger selection of healthy vitamins and minerals. Soup. On those cold days when salad just won't cut it, why not try soup? You can make almost anything into soup. Have you got a few organic vegetables in the fridge that you haven't used up? Peel and chop them. Gently fry a chopped onion with a tablespoon of organic olive or coconut oil. Add chopped vegetables and half a pint of vegetable stock, made with a stock cube. Simmer until all the vegetables are soft. Cool slightly and blend in a food processor. Voila! Pasta. Pasta makes a filling lunch and can be served hot or cold. Organic wholemeal pasta is the healthiest option. Cook the pasta in boiling water. If eating cold, it is delicious with organic mayonnaise and flakes of cooked line-caught fish and prawns. If you prefer it hot, add organic pesto or a delicious tomato sauce made from homegrown tomatoes. Add free-range, organic cooked chicken and oven-roasted vegetables for a tasty, filling meal. There are literally thousands of recipes you can prepare for lunch, so you should never get bored. Just make sure the food you're buying is fresh, organic, and sustainable. That way, it's better for you and better for the planet. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.